hearty welcome to all the sisters of SAB family to have a glimpse of Bagalkot and to view its glory. Here is a short introduction about our district. It is carved out from Vijaypur, the old Bijapur, in the year 1997. There are 9 talukas covering the area 6,593 km, and the population consists of 18,89,752. And there are rivers like Ghataprabha, Malaprabha and Krishna flow through it. We have the historical places like Badami, Pattadakal, Aihole, Kudalasangam and Lal Bahadur Shastri, which is popularly known as the Almaty town. It is in the midst of such glorious locality, Sisters of St. Anne got an opportunity to reside and to work at our mission in 1972. It was Dr. Shirur, the president of Lions Club, who invited us to start an English medium school in Bagalkot. With the permission of late Bishop Ignatius Lobo, sisters started their community life on 22nd May 1972. This mission had a humble beginning, and our pioneer sisters were put up in 2 different rented houses for 6 months and 10 days. These houses were so inconvenient for sisters to stay. Realizing this, Dr. Shirur was kind enough to give his own building downstairs for the use of sisters, while his family stayed in the upstairs. After 15 days, we purchased the same house. We owe much to Reverend Mother Margaret Mary, the pioneer of this mission. Initially, they had only minimum facilities, and often they depended upon a tanga for their transportation. From 1972 till the date, 16 superiors have rendered their service for the growth and development for this mission, along with other community members. In the recent years, the convent building developed many cracks and it was almost sinking. At this juncture, our provincial superior and team took a right decision, and it was demolished on 19th December 2018. Foundation was laid on 16th April 2019. Sisters were shifted to Vidyagiri and they stayed in the ground floor of old high school building. Construction was completed and it was blessed by the Vicar General of Belgaum Diocese and was inaugurated by Reverend Sister Arul Mary, the Assistant Superior General, and Reverend Sister Alphonse, the Provincial Superior, and all her team members were present. It was blessed on 15th February 2020. Presently, we are the inmates continuing the mission of Jesus as per the constitutional rules of SAB. We belong to the Diocese of Belgaum, and Derek Fernandez is our bishop. We belong to the parish of St. Mary's. Added to the apostolate of education, we are also engaged in different pastoral activities such as catechism, preparing for the liturgy, leading the choir, visiting the family and sick, contribution towards flood affected areas. Our sisters are mainly engaged in teaching apostolate, and we have primary, high school and PU college at Bagalkot. St. Anne's Lions Primary School, Bagalkot. It was started on 22nd May 1972. And there were 26 students in the first batch, and Mother Margaret Mary was its first headmistress. She purchased a plot for school and built 5 classrooms in spite of their financial crisis. Sister Dorothy, the manager, put up 12 more classrooms as the strength of the school increased. Later on, Sister Pushparani was the headmistress of the school, and she obtained permanent recognition for the school. Sister Lawrence added 4 more classrooms, and she also purchased 7 acres of land for high school at Veerapur, presently known as Vidyagiri. Sisters who served here are as follows. Their dedication, commitment, and hard work helped the school to grow from a seed to a fruit-bearing tree. This school, which began with 26 students, today it is increased into 1,954. The school building, which was put up at different stages, developed a crack, leaking by the year 2014. As a result, half portion of this building was demolished and a new block was put up in the year 2015. The remaining portion was demolished and construction started on 23rd August 2019, and it is still under progress. And Sister Jayanti Das is the present headmistress. Now, coming to St. Anne's Convent High School and PU College Vidyagiri at Bagalkot, it was started on July 6th, 1979, and late Sister Beatrice was its first headmistress. There were 29 students in the first batch. Initially, we conducted our classes in the Bhagini Samaj building for 6 months as we did not have classrooms. Later on, classes were shifted to primary school campus. As the strength of the school increased, it was decided to put up a building at Veerapur known as Vidyagiri. Foundation was laid on 23rd July 1989 and construction was completed in 1990. Classes were shifted to a new building while Sister Agatha was the headmistress. High school obtained permanent recognition on 5th May 1997. In 2004, the school celebrated its silver jubilee and it was organized by late Reverend Sister Beatrice. To commemorate this event, a silver jubilee memorial hall was put up. It was her dream to start a PU college in Bagalkot and it came true in 2005. As the years rolled on, the strength of the school increased and we lacked sufficient infrastructure. Constructing few more classrooms were inevitable and Reverend Sister Arul Mary, the then provincial superior, and her team decided to construct a new building for the high school and PU college. Accordingly, in 2017, the foundation was laid and construction was completed in 2018. Later on, high school and PU college were shifted to the new building, and in the year 2020, pavers also were put for the school ground. The institution, which began with 29 students, today it is raised into 661 students with 4 sections, and presently Sister Mary Jacob is the principal. We also would like to highlight the major achievements of our primary and high school. We have already sent out 39 batches of SSLC students, and among these 39 batches, except for 8 years, all the other years, our school has secured 100% of results. Added to that, our students also secured a rank at the state level in different years. To mention, in 1995, 6th rank, 1997, 8th rank, in 2007, 7th rank, 2012, 6th rank, 2016, 8th rank, and in 2018, 4th rank, as well as in 2019, 4th rank. We also received 2 times the Best School Award. In 2012, our students participated in national level science exhibition. Last year, one of the high school students performed during Mysore Dasara festival as well as Patadakal Utsava, and her name is also entered in the Guinness Award. Our primary students secured state as well as national level awards in karate, yoga, skirting, tennis play, and swimming. These are the little information from Bagalkot St. Anne's Convent as well as from the school. Thank you very much.